Have you ever wondered how global commerce actually moves? Today we are breaking down trade finance and how it keeps goods moving across borders. At its heart, trade finance is about trust. It bridges the gap between buyers and sellers who are thousands of miles apart. It is a massive industry. Almost every international shipment you see involves these financial tools to ensure payments are made and goods are delivered. These tools help protect the seller from not getting paid and the buyer from paying for goods that never arrive. Unlike a standard business loan, trade finance is specifically tied to the movement of physical goods rather than general company operations. Letters of credit are the most common tool. They essentially act as a bank guarantee that the seller will be paid upon proof of shipping. By using these instruments, businesses can focus on supply chains instead of worrying about whether or not they will get paid. Thanks for tuning in to learn about trade finance. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money basics, educational content, not financial advice.